HipKit friends, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club featuring the October 2023 HipKits. I love fall and the October kits are my favorite kits so far for this year. I create a layout with a leaf background and I try something new. I'm going to stamp leaves on my layout and then stitch them using thread in fall colors. I want to create a background with lots of stitched leaves, so I use the October 2023 leaf background stamp and stamp on my cardstock. Then I pick out embroidery thread in colors that match the colors of the papers and embellishments which are included in the October kits. I pierce holes and stitch the leaves. Now I cut out a pocket life card which I use as background for my photos, and I pick out some die cuts from the 4 wipes cardstock ephemera pack which is included in the October main kit. Place the first photo on the Pocket Life card and add a rainbow die cut. This die cut will be my title. Then I add the second photo, which I embellish with a frame from the 4 Wipes chipboard frames pack, which you can find in the October embellishment kit. I choose a tag die cut, add an eyelet and twine and tuck it behind the photo. Then I add some die cuts. I back the Pocket Life card with a piece of the 4 Wipes Wouldn't You Believe It paper. Now I cut some borders from white cardstock and the Hipkit Club exclusive Essential Solids cork cardstock, which is included in the October cardstock kit. I place them on top and bottom of the Pocket Life card. Then I cut leaves from white cardstock and vellum using the October 2023 Leaves metal die set. I place the Pocket Life card with photos and die cuts on my leaf background and add the die cut leaves. I also add some leaves which I fussy cut from the leaf tangle and the nuts for fall paper. I continue embellishing the layout with a fussy cut pumpkin and one of the engraved wood veneer stickers which I included in the October embellishment kit. I also add some puffy stickers and some of the fall leaves and mushroom felt stickers, both included in the October embellishment kit. Then I choose some word stickers from the Fall Vibes cardstock stickers pack, which you can find in the October main kit. I back them with white cardstock and adhere them with foam pads. I finished with some of the Fall Vibes pearls, which I included in the October embellishment kit. I really like how the layout turned out, and I hope you like it too and enjoyed watching the video. Thanks so much for joining me.